welcome back to What's Inside Family, where today I'm going to do something very interesting. I'm going to see how many Tesla Cybertrucks I can order. Now, I don't know what the limit is on the system, but it's a $100 deposit in order to get one. And supposedly, it's refundable, so hopefully I can get some of my money back because I think I'm about to spend a lot. Let's see what happens to the Tesla website, and then hopefully I can get them refunded. Otherwise, I'm going to just have a fleet of Tesla Cybertrucks. A lot of you had asked me, am I going to order a Tesla Cybertruck? I did order one. It's in my account. I ordered one Tesla Cybertruck. Not sure if I wanted to take delivery or not, but the more I look at it since that opening night, he's bringing it out right now. What the freak? What? Oh my gosh. The more I really like it. I mean, I even bought a Cybertruck shirt, so I guess that's fitting. And then as a side note, we have our new water bottles, the first ever merch that we've ever done, and we have our website, what'sinsidemerch.com. I'm on the Tesla website. I'm gonna have like the actual screenshot of what I'm doing right here. We're in our brand new studios. It's just like the editing room. Let's do this, let's get into it. So, all right, Cybertruck. I'm gonna have to blur out my credit card details somehow here. There she is, better utility than a truck with more performance than a sports car. Order now. Ooh, exoskeleton. That is super interesting, looking at this thing. The back is something, now that we've been moving into our house, that I really think is cool and has a lot of application. Like to be able to lower the back and you can just carry stuff into it, or push a button and the metal thing goes over and it protects the stuff. Like right there, there it is, ATV. Man, that thing looks cool driving down the road. Okay, there's all the stats, we've seen them. Order now, let's get into this. The ones that are coming the soonest are the tri-motor all-wheel drive ones. So let's choose that one, buy now. Plug in my info, it's already pretty much saved, my credit card. I just need to put the last 3 in, bam, and confirm. Credit card is confirmed, place order. Your order is complete. I just ordered a Cybertruck. Okay, all right. If you go over to my account, you can see that I've got a few, all I have right now in my account is the Model X and the Cybertruck that I had already ordered. Tesla account, refresh. Their website is not the fastest, I must admit. There we go, we have 2 Cybertrucks. Well, what's better than 2? How about 3? Let's go for it, buy it now. Bam, enter info, enter credit card. How fast can we actually do this? I would imagine at some point it's gonna say like, you've hit the limit. Oh, there's the email, got another one. And when's my credit card company gonna call me and be like, we've detected unusual activity on your credit card. I'm gonna have an entire fleet. How many of these can we order? Okay, let's go back into my account and let's refresh. Last time we had 1 Model X and 2 Cybertrucks. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need more of these. Which one's gonna crash first? The Tesla website or the Tesla like service saying this guy is ordering too many, or my credit card company calling me? I have other credit cards here. Uh-oh. There is a problem processing your payment. I think we just hit a max. 1 credit card down. I've got more where that came from. All right, let's see how long the American Express will last. I'm pretty sure we just ordered one. Yep, there it goes. I think what they're doing is they are going to have a huge event with Battery Day that's coming up in April. And the Battery Day, I think, could be the biggest thing to Tesla in years. I know the Model Y is coming out, I know the Cybertruck has come out, but the tech that they should be releasing on these new battery packs are probably gonna be pretty amazing. Okay, let's see how many we've done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 Cybertrucks! That's pretty cool. Oh, and when you hear that dinging noise, somebody just bought a water bottle, one of these water bottles from our website, and Shopify makes like a cash register noise every time. It makes it the coolest app. Like I never have my noise on my phone. I never really have until yesterday when all of these orders started coming in. Thank you guys. Thank you for buying our water bottles. I'd like another 10 Cybertrucks, please. Oh no! It stopped! Credit card number 2 is down. Okay, we're switching to credit card number 3. I would imagine that I'm about to hold the record for the most Cybertrucks purchased by any individual. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong. Like, show me the proof that I'm wrong. Oh wait, somebody's coming. Oh, see, they're putting the code into the studio. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be now? Who is it?
It's Claire.
Claire! Say hi to everybody.
Oh, hi. Sorry, I didn't know you were in.
Oh, that's okay. We're filming a video in here. I'm buying Cybertrucks. Do you like the Cybertruck?
You're buying one?
How many do you think I bought so far?
Actual cars?
Yeah.
20.
20? That's a good guess.
I see a lot of them on your screen
Okay,
already.
let's count them up. 26, 27. I bought 27 Cybertrucks.
You... What?
Yeah.
Why?
Now I'm doing another one.
Why?
Guinness World Records, right here. Most Cybertrucks ordered by one person. Oh no! It stopped! Third credit card is stopped. How many do we have?
What?
How many have we done? 28, 29, 30, 31, 31. I already had one in my account, and then every 10 with the credit card, it stops me. Okay, how many Cybertrucks do you think I just bought?
I'm hoping less than single. I don't want double digits.
Double digits? Okay.
No
Here we
double
are.
digits.
Watch this. Whee! Look at all the Cybertrucks we have in our account.
How many did you buy?
33. So $3,300 Cybertrucks.
Why are we having so many?
Look how many we have. Think how cool that would look in front of our house to have that many Cybertrucks.
I don't think this is necessary at all. I don't even know if I want one. I'm okay with maybe one because we do need a truck. So if you think it can hold a bunch of stuff.
It's a pretty big truck. Come on
Yeah.
in, Lincoln. We're filming live.
Yeah.
Scoot in further.
How are we live?
Look at all these. This is our Tesla account. 33!
33?
My credit card's all stopped. Okay, let's see if it lets us buy one off Leslie's credit card. Yay! Okay, we're buying more. We're back in business, everybody.
I do need to be buying stuff on my credit card this month for stuff, so it's not. I never got.
Oh, it just saved money. Ka-ching.
That's my favorite
$69 from Shopify. Thank you for somebody for ordering 2. All our credit card companies are going to be so confused today. There we go. We're still ordering. Oh, somebody bought one. Somebody bought one
Jennifer.
from Massachusetts. This credit card's good. I think it's going to stop us at 10 now. If it doesn't, though,
Where are we at?
I'm going to be here all day. What if we went overdrawn because of
That'd
Cybertrucks?
be really embarrassing.
That would be not a very wise financial decision. Oh, we hit a wall. Another credit card down. I need more credit cards, apparently. Hi, doing good. My credit card, I'm trying to make multiple $100 purchases, and my credit card, I think, might have hit a limit because it stopped at like 10 purchases.
There's nothing fraudulent, no flags or anything on here.
Okay, so nothing fraudulent on the bank side of it. It's just the Tesla website that's probably limiting me and stopping me from making all these purchases.
Yeah, I don't see any flags on any of your cards.
Perfect. All right, well, thanks for your help.
Yeah.
How many have we done, everybody? 40, 41, 42, 43. 43, so it's like 10. 1,000. 10 purchases, 1,000. Oh my gosh. Hey, London.
Hi, dear.
How's it going? I bought some presents. Do you like the Cybertrucks?
I would never want to drive to school in Cybertrucks.
Look at that. Look at the trunk.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Look at it. It closes. And that's a solar panel.
Why are you looking at
Look
it?
at that. I bought some. How many do you think I bought?
10? Wait,
I bought all these.
why? What are you going to do with them?
I don't know. I'm just seeing how many I can buy. Oh, somebody just bought a water bottle. Becky from Louisville, Colorado. Doesn't mean a lot. Okay, there's another one. Todd from Port Huron, Michigan. Okay, it's still working on the debit card somehow. We're gonna keep going with this. How many do you think it'll let me go? Dang it, that's the end of that card. This is So dumb. Somebody is gonna have to recreate this video and see if they can beat me. I think for now, I'm gonna count them up. 51. We ordered 50 Cybertrucks today. If we bought all of them, it would cost us $3.5 million. Did you hear that, Leslie? That's a fleet. 51? That's a lot.
That is a fleet.
Every 10, the website stops. Maybe they think that certain bots will come in and like, just take all the orders. So there's my random activity for the day, is to buy 51 Cybertrucks. All of these Cybertrucks are now officially in my account. You're seeing it, the screenshot right here. There's something in place on their website that stops bots from being able to order too many. And so with 5 credit cards, I was able to order 50. $5,000. I spent $5,000 today on Cybertrucks. And here's my surfboard that got cut in half. Tesla surfboard. This was actually surfed. There's still the wax on it. Tesla Cybertruck video. That was fun. See you guys.
Oh my gosh.
Why are we having so many?
What? Why?
Why? I don't think this is necessary at all.